Hi everyone, I'm going to give you a quick demo of how you can set up the GeoCraft theme on your website. So right now I have this 2010 theme installed on my server. I'm going to the WordPress dashboard and under the appearance settings I'm going to upload the GeoCraft theme. So I'm clicking on upload button. I'm choosing the file. So here's the GeoCraft theme. I'm just pressing the install now button. After the theme is completely installed, I'm pressing the activate theme button. Once you press the activate button, you will see that the theme had been activated successfully and it is saying that would you like to populate the sample data on your site. When we move to the front end and do the reload, you can see your website would look something like this. Now I'm heading back to the WordPress dashboard and I'm pressing this insert sample data button. Once you do this insert sample data button, your entire data would be populated in a demo. Now you can see that you already have some listings, you have recently added listings, you have some listing tagged as featured listings, and you have a complete website built something like this. Now the coolest thing is all the business listings go under this tab of business listings. You can see that it's a complete custom post types and all your listings are added one by one over here. If you want to add a new listing from the back end, it's very simple. You just need to click this add new listing button and enter the title over here. A little information regarding the hotel. You can set the address, you can set the contact name of the person, you can upload few images, you can upload the timing of the business, phone number of the business, email, website, Twitter, and you can feature it on the home page or on the category page. Also, you can decide whether you want to list this listing as a free listing or whether you want to list this listing as a premium paid listing. So this is how the listing segment looks like. I'm just going to open a already listed listing and I'm going to edit that listing. So here it's listed Milani Hotel London Knightsbridge. Here all the sample data had already been populated, the category had been chosen, the address had been put, all the images that had been required had been uploaded, and this is something the listing looks like. Now the coolest feature is sometimes you need more fields or a different fields than listed over here. So this GeoCraft theme comes with a complete settings to change just about everything on this website. I'm just moving you to the theme options panel. In the theme options panel, you can change your own custom logo, you can change your custom favicon, you can put your Google Analytics tracking code, you can change the background image, and you can even change the front page. If you don't want to have the listing displayed as it is, you can just change the front page to display your blog. Under the home page settings, you can just change about on this button you can change what you want to display. So it's the post button. If you want to change any of the text, you can change over here. The featured business listing text can be changed as you desire, or the home page recently added listing can be changed as you desire. Under the listing settings, if someone submits a listing as a free listing, whether you want to publish that listing directly or whether you want that listing to be put as a pending listing for your approval. Similarly, in the case of paid listing, whether you want this listing to be published directly or whether you want to put this listing as a pending listing, you can set over here. In the styling option, you can set and change the color of your theme. For example, right now it was chosen black, but now I'm choosing the blue color. And I'm just changing the color scheme of my website, and you can see that now it appears in a blue color. The GeoCraft theme comes with a very great colors, and you can see I'm just choosing one more color in the green color and I'm refreshing this. And you can see that the theme color had been changed completely. Under the social icons, you can put any of your social links if you want to do that. Under the footer text, you can change your copyright text to any text you want. The theme comes with pre-built SEO options, so you can, for the homepage, you can set keywords, description, and author name. Other than that, the theme is completely integrated with the payment solutions. So in this theme, there are 3 payment solutions. One, you can do any listing that is going to be published by users or a business can be put as a free listing. It can be done as a one-time payment package where you can charge one time for putting the listing of that particular business, or you can charge a payment on the recurring basis. The one-time payment package had something interesting. If someone pays you for the one time, how long do you want that listing to be active? You can set over here, and you can set how much amount do you want to be charged for featuring it on the home page, or how much amount to be charged for featuring it on the category page. Similarly, for the recurring payment package, you can charge, you can set how much do you want to charge for the first time, what would be the billing period, do you want to charge multiple times, how many times do you want to charge, what would be the second charge, pricing charge, and all things like that. Also, you can set over here the recurring payment, if featured on home page, how much would it cost, and if it's featured on the category page, how much would it be charged. Under the payment settings, you can set your own PayPal email ID so that payment directly enters your PayPal username. You can manage the currencies, and you can place any currencies, you can collect money in any of those listed currencies available over here. Right now it supports all the currencies which is supported by PayPal, so you can choose any of the currency over here. The another cool feature of this particular theme is the custom fields. See, there are situations where you want to change that you want the business to show timing, or you don't want the business to show timing, but you want the business to the business want to display their number of bedrooms or bathrooms in the hotel. So what you can do is you can set your custom field, and you can add any of the number of custom fields that they require. To your requirements, you can just create a new custom field. You can just select what type of custom field that you need, what the name of the field would be. You need to have the variable name of the HTML, description, default value, position order in the registration form, and everything like that. So with this custom field, you can customize listings, business listings, according to your requirements. Next, I'm going to the transaction section. In the GeoCraft transaction section, all the paid listings would appear right over here. So you will see the ID number, you will see the listing ID, the username who paid the payment, the payer email, listing title which had become premium listing, the transaction ID of the PayPal, payment status, whether it's completed or pending, the total amount that had been paid, and what's the date on which the amount had been paid. Secondly, another option is the lead captures. So in the front end, if you see, if someone enters, let's say someone opens a Hotel Russell Court, London's Bloomsbury, and someone wants to contact this business, lead capture, the data would appear right over here. Next option is the import and export button. All the listings that you have seen on this website can be exported to a simple CSV file, and you can see that the listing had been imported. So it's always easier that you can import or export the listing according to your requirement. So all the listings, post date, the post title, and everything had been submitted, have been extracted out of here. Here it displays the post author, the post title, the date in GMT, and everything. Similarly, if you have an Excel sheet, you can simply, if you have a CSV sheet, you can simply import the complete listing from your Excel file. So this is something that you can do with the theme itself. Now I'm going to show you some of the things that from a user perspective, he can do from the front end. So this is how the website looks for a basic user. He can see all the listings listed over here. He can just click any of the listing and can see any of the details over here. He can see the feature image. He can read the reviews of the business. He can leave a review. Nice hotel, I visited it some days back. And He can rate on how much review he want to give to the hotel, and he can submit his review. So this is how the review looks like. The location map, he can see where the location of exact location of this business is, and he can see the related listings of this business. Now if someone wants to submit his business for your listing, he can just click on over here, post your business listings at Australian dollar 26. He can select on which category he want to list his business. He can put out his listing title, he can put out the address of his business, he can put out the once he put out this address, the latitude and longitude fields would be filled automatically. He can fill out his contact name, he can upload his images of this business, he can put any of the description that he want to put out, the timing, phone number, email, website, and everything can be set over here. If you want to customize this field according to your requirements, you can easily do that from the custom field section. Under the package selection, he can do the free business listings. He can choose to pay the listing on the basis of one-time listing payments, or he can charge, he can pay in the recurring listing payment. Now the price package are interesting in themselves. The free business listings, in this there is no charge for placing a listing, but you won't receive any leads. Listing expires after 4 months and you can reactivate listing later. In the one-time listing payment package, one time is charged for placing a listing, and you can feature the listing on the home page or on the category page. You will receive all the leads in your dashboard, and the listing expires after 6 months, which you can reactivate at no extra charges. And you can pretty much change anything that you want. You can change the pricing, the validity period, and anything from the theme options panel. In the recurring listing periods, a small recurring charge for placing your listing is placed. You can feature the listing on the home page or on the category page, and you will receive all the leads in your dashboard. No listing expiry till you have active subscription. So this is a complete segment that GeoCraft theme allows. All the featured listing, premium paid listings are displayed in the feature listing tab. All the listing on the basis of recent listings are displayed on this all listings menu bar. And user can easily insert his new listing, or if he want to contact you as a business, he can do a contact as well. You can create any number of pages as you like. If you want to display any other information, you can create more pages. And this is how the segment looks like. One more thing, there is a user dashboard. So if you're a user, you can go to your backend and you can add a new listing from over here. You can view the listings, you can see all those expired listings, you can view the reviews on your listing. Like this, you have seen the review has submitted on the Quality Hotel Wembley Hotel. You can edit the profile and you can see all the lead captures over here. So thanks for watching the demo of this GeoCraft theme. It's really is a very powerful theme to create your business website, and you can definitely make a good income by selling listings on this website. Some of the demos that I wanted to show you is one of the demo that we created for our website is at 98london.com, and we actually did this website for ourselves, and we actually added few business in London. The businesses are of different varieties, so this theme can be used to create business listings for bakeries, boat shops, child care, clothes and fashions, doctors, foods, general shops, health and beauty shops, holidays, home and garden shops, hotels, inns, institutions, jewelers, restaurants, taxis, and transport travel agent. So you can use this WordPress theme for just about any business niche, and it all depends upon you on how well you can monetize this theme according to your requirements. So thanks for watching this video, and do let us know if you have any questions that you want to be answered. You can email us anytime as inquiry@inthemes.com. Thank you for watching this video.